For today's art activity, we are going to be painting stripes across our paper. To start, I have to turn my paint on by getting my paintbrush wet and then swirling my brush in the paint. You might want to count to 10 while you're swirling your brush in the paint so that way you know you've done it long enough and you've gotten enough paint on your brush. If you need to go back and get more paint, that is fine. Try to get those lines to touch both sides of your paper. Your lines should go from one side to the other side of your paper. It is also okay if the colors touch. You want the colors right next to each other with no white paper left in between. So they should be side by side. Please do not mix the colors. We are not mixing colors today. So I'm going to now go to green and I'm going to paint green. That's looking pretty good. Remember that our paintbrush walks across our paper on its tippy toes, and you are holding it by the handle and pulling it across your paper. We are not pushing and shoving our brush across our paper. We are not scrubbing with it either. When you use your water in your water bowl, please also remember that this is not a swimming pool. There is no splishing and splashing or jumping, no cannonballs into the water, please. The sponge is for cleaning your brush if it gets dirty. You can use it to clean your brush. Please do not put the sponge in the water because then your sponge will drink up all of your water and it will be all gone. I'm going to continue painting all the different colors that I have until I have reached the bottom of my paper. Please take your time and do nice, neat work. Do not rush and make sloppy lines just to be done fast. It looks better if you take your time and work carefully and neatly. It is okay if some paint gets on your messy mat. That is what it is for. It is okay if paint gets on the messy mat. When I am finished, I'm going to take my painting to the drying rack, and I am all done with my painting of my straight lines for today.